Everybody, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. I want to talk to you real quick about pressure hose. Most times what we do is we get the 6,000 PSI 2R hose. It's gray non-marking from Russ Johnson over at Southside. Which you can see this stuff here. See, it's nice and thick. The 2R means it's double braided, so it's going to last longer. It is a good bit heavier. It's probably, I'm going to make up a number, but like 10 to 15 pound difference between single braid and double braid. This is single braid. This is the 1R, still 6,000 psi. Actually, sorry, these are the 4,000 psi ones. You always want your hose to be rated for a higher pressure than what you're really using. It's just ideal. It's going to last longer and everything. So we're gonna mess around with some of the single braided stuff. Again, it's a little bit lighter. My guys don't know that there's a difference between them because we've only used 2R hose for probably the last 3 years. Just decided to go ahead and get a little bit lighter stuff. Kind of see if it'll help us be a little faster and everything with this new rig that we're building up. So we're going to be putting on some massive hose reels on this new rig, 28 inch, and get that all hooked up and ready to go. So if you're going to buy hose, again, gray non-marking is the way to go. You can get it from a bunch of different vendors. I personally just buy it from Russ. He always has a great deal on it. Some people will, say like Eric Sites always loves to get his as a single like 300 foot run. And he takes his hose all the way off every single time. I like the 100-foot sections. That way, what we'll be doing with this new reel is we'll have it set up with probably 500 or 600 feet of hose on it. I don't want to take all that hose off every time. So what we'll do is put all of it on there. It'll all have the quick connects, which you can see when you order it. Specify whether or not you want quick connects or if you just want fittings. It'll be extra. They can go ahead and put them on there, or at least say, hey, I need a set of fittings for this. But having that extra hose, again, it'll be something where we can pull off, if we only need to touch up something real quick, or it's a small house, so let's just pull off 200 feet of hose, or hey, this is a big job, let's go ahead and pull 300 feet per machine. And that gives us that flexibility. Or hey, one guy is going to go do the far stuff, so we're going to give him 400, and the other machine will only get 200. He's going to just do the front yard or front of the house, whatever. But that way, again, it just gives you that flexibility. That's the way I like to do it. Some guys will also run a single 50-foot section at the very beginning. So if just say, hey, we just need to touch up this one little bit of sidewalk. You don't have to undo, 100 feet of hose. But both of the reels, or the two main reels that'll be on this, are going to be electric reels, and then we've got two more big manual reels. So they'll do some fun stuff. Anyway, guys, have a great day. We'll post more videos as we get through with this box truck build. I think I finally have all the components that we'll need to get it done. So have a great day.